Hi, I'm Hillary Homsey, and in this video you're going to learn about my 3 signature talks about the benefits of storytelling. Enjoy. My son feared going to sleep. Most nights he'd get tangled up in the sheets, unable to drift into slumber, and it was tears and tantrums. The very act of climbing into bed created anxiety for both of us. I tried warm baths, back rubs, gentle good nights, but it wasn't enough until I decided to tell him a soothing story. Each night I had him stroll through the same lush garden where he could open up a gate to a really comforting new adventure. Soon he began to experience sleep success, and the nighttime struggle completely disappeared. I realized as a mom, a children's book author, and a professor of children's writing, storytelling's really an incredible tool available to anyone and everyone. Based on this realization, I developed 3 signature talks to talk about storytelling as an effective tool for positive change. My talks include: help children sleep better through telling stories, the critical piece we're missing at bedtime. Communicating with tweens and teens through story, 10 ways to create more joy in your relationship. Learning from our elders through story, restoring the disconnect between the generations. In Help Children Sleep Better, I share details on how to work out specific anxieties, how to get kids to look forward to bedtime, and why stories actually increase reader readiness and language skills. In Communicating with Tweens and Teens through story, I review tips on how to grow closer, how to share life lessons, why routines matter, and answer the question, at what age should storytelling stop? In Learning from Our Elders, we'll discuss the benefits of transmitting life stories, how to break down life stories, and how indirect communication strengthens vital bonds between generations. I bring 20 years of experience telling stories as a published children's author and journalist, performing my Tales Off Broadway, and helping hundreds of writers find their own voice. These invaluable talks are meant for educators, mental health professionals, senior groups, librarians, parents, as well as advocacy groups. Audiences will thank you for bringing such a powerful and relevant message to your organization. They'll walk away with the secrets of how to tap into their own creative powers. Come closer to friends and family. Heal the hurts of the world. Discover your own creative voice. What stories will you tell?